Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about VN application. And in this video I would like to show to you how the way we edit the video through VN. So the first thing you have to do, open your VN application, and here's the when you already opened the application. And the next thing, to edit the video, you just need to go click this plus button, and in this plus button you just need to go click a new project by click this part. And now you just need to choose which video that you want to edit. And whenever you're done choosing the video, just go click this part. And now you already have the project as well as the video. So to edit this, you just need to explore the tools that provide by the VN in this part. If you feel that you need to add an effects into this video to make it more better, you just need to go click in the filter, and you just need to choose which filter that you want to have. You can just choose the filters that already provided by the VN application. And after you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button and give it a try for the results. And when you're already satisfied with the editing part, just don't forget to delete the watermark of the VN by go click the clip and go delete. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this part to export and save it into your phone, or you can just go click this part to save it into the VN project. And you have this. If you want to do another editing, you just need to go click it to open it back and go continue to edit your video. So that's the way to edit the video on a VN application. If you found that this tutorial today is get useful, well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.